Hi everybody, welcome to my crochet nook, and today is the last day for the Masquerade advent calendar. I do hope you will forgive me. I am recording this on Thursday instead of Christmas Eve, as Christmas Eve is really busy here. I have so much to do, cleaning and getting last minute bits and everything, so I hope you don't mind, but I'm opening Christmas Eve's on the 23rd instead of 24th, but this will go out on the 24th obviously. So I hope whatever you're doing today you get done, and Santa comes tomorrow. One more sleep guys, one more sleep. But before I open it, I just want to thank each and every one of you for following these 24 videos, coming and watching them, leaving your comments, your thumbs up, and even if you don't leave a comment guys, just give a thumbs up, because that's more important, just as important as a comment and you coming and visiting. So I want to thank each and every one of you. So let's get down to the last Masquerade Advent Calendar for 2021 by Reggie over at J Hook Crochet. So let's see. It's a little brown bag and it's got Father Christmas on. Father Christmas coming tomorrow, Christmas Day. Can you believe how quick December's gone guys? And what a colour to finish it on. What a colour to finish it on. Wow, that is really nice. So let's just get 23rd out, and I'll get the 22nd as well, and then you can see how it transitions from here to here, and this is the last one. But I hope you'll come back and join me on Christmas Day, because I do have a present to open from the Masquerade Advent Calendar. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you get all your preparation done. I know there's a lot of cooking and baking and things like that, and I hope that family, if you're travelling, travel safely. Whatever you've got planned, have a good one. And for those that are going to be on their own this Christmas, I send you lots of love and big hugs. So for today, that's it. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye for now.